Hi, by now you should have seen the introduction to the various tools provided by Intel, and also you should have gone through the technical article provided in this module. In this video, we will be talking in detail about Intel HAXM, and I'll also show you a demo of how Intel HAXM is faster when it is loading the emulator images. So just to give you a brief introduction, Intel HAXM or Intel Hardware Accelerated Execution Manager is a hardware assistant virtualization engine that uses Intel virtualization technology to speed up Android app emulations on host machine. So the base requirement here is the machine should be running on an Intel processor. As I told you during the introduction video, the first thing we need to ensure is the virtualization technology or the VTD feature has to be enabled in the BIOS. Once you have enabled this feature in the BIOS, you can go ahead and install Intel HAXM by downloading from the Intel website, that is software.intel.com/enus/android. You have the option here to download HAXM, or you can download Intel HAXM via the SDK manager as well. So let me go here, SDK manager. So I go to the extras and see here Intel x86 emulator accelerator. This is the last option in the extras. After installing the HAXM, note that you also need to download and install the x86 system images. So without system image, you will not be able to create a Intel emulator, Intel processor based emulator, and you will not be able to use the HAXM features. So let me go ahead and start two virtual machines. One is an ARM and one is an Intel virtual machine, to just show you the differences or the speed of the emulator. First, I'll be starting the ARM emulator, and then I'll start the Intel emulator. When I'm starting the Intel emulator, you can see that it also says HAX is working and emulator runs in fast virtual mode, which means that the HAX has been installed and the HAX component is working. So see here, ARM still does not show up anything, whereas Intel emulator already the Android screen is coming up. So you can see that already the Intel image has come up and I'm able to browse the device, but whereas still the Android image is loading. So this is the demo of Intel HAXM. If you have any questions or issues working with Intel HAXM, please feel free to mail us at intelapps@beerhead.biz. Thank you.